Hey guys, so this is how to blur the background on a CapCut video. So first thing, go ahead and open CapCut. So I already have a project open here for me and I want to blur the background in the video. So what I'm going to do is click on Effects, then Video Effects. Then I'm going to go to Lens Effects. Then I'm going to choose Blur. I will click the check mark on the right. And I will just drag the effect to cover the entire video. Now the blur effect is covering everything in the video, not just the background, but I want it to cover the background. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back and then back again to the main menu, and then I will click on overlay. Then click on add overlay. Then I'm gonna choose the same video again, and then click on add. Adjust the video to have the same measurements, and then in the options, just look for remove background. So remove BG, there it is. Click on it, and then click on auto removal. And now if you play the video,
the last segment of the episode,
the background is blurred. So this is how easy it is, guys. This is how to blur the background in a CapCut video.